What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What I'm going to take you through today is creating a fake salon blow dry. How are we going to do that? Some straighteners and a round brush. So I've already pre-sectioned the head off. So the sectioning pattern I used was from the top of the head to the back of the ears. That gave us our two halves to the head. I then took a section from the top of the ear all the way through to the top of the ear. I then, in this sectioned off piece, made a little triangle there, and then that gave us those two pieces. So really simple section at the back, from ear to ear, little triangle, with it creates those two pieces. Then with the front, because we already have this sectioned off, where we put the triangle in is basically we follow it through and follow it through, which then gives us that section there and that section there on either side. Leaves that piece out on the top, then we just split it in half. Really simple sectioning. So across the top of the head to the top of the ears, then we section from the top of the ears to there. We then had this little triangle here that we put in through here. That gave us these sections here. So that's all the back done. When we put that in and that in, it creates that section already. Then we come to the front. Where we put that triangle, we follow it through to the hairline, and it gives us these two sections here. Opens up this, we split that in half. Really simple section. Took me about 5 minutes, if that, to section this off. So what this is the hair is pulled out and then it's just twisted round, and then when it starts to buckle on itself, you literally wrap it around like that and clip. Super simple. And because that's already like that, when it comes out of here, you get a little bit of curl anyway. So let's start. So here's our section. What we're going to do, get your finger, it's down the middle, open it up, get your round brush, any size, just detangle. Get your straighteners, I'm using the Upgrade Infrared Slim. You want to do 2 quick-ish passes. So that was one, and another one. That'll just smooth down the cuticle, make it shiny. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit of elevation in there. Put your straighteners in, and then start moving them through. You want to move them quite slowly, create an elevation, and then as you get to the ends, you just want to be bending the straighteners round. Get your brush to support the hair. See how I'm bending? You just get that bend, detangle slightly. Then what we want to do, these 2 fingers in here while the hair's still warm. Get your clip and clip that in. Like that. Next section. So the product I've already got worked in here is Joico Dream Blowout, this product here. So 2 quick passes, 1, 2, just to smooth, and then we want to get some elevation. So bring the hair up, straighteners in, and then just slowly pull it through. As you get to the end, you want to be bending round, get your brush in there to support. There's that bend. 2 fingers, wrap it round, in, and clip. Next section, drop this out. You can see that's already got a wave there. It's going to make it so much easier because we've already got that bend. What we're going to do, 2 quick passes to smooth. Bring the hair up to create elevation. Get the straighteners in there and just start to move away slowly. And then as we get to the ends, we're just bending round, brushing to support. And we've got that shape. Detangle, wrap, clip it in. Next section, you'll see we've already got the shape. 2 quick passes just to smooth. Now we want to create elevation. So in there, and bend, hair around, support, detangle, fingers in, and clip. Top section of the back. 2 quick passes, elevation, straighteners in, elevation, straighteners in. As we get to the ends, we're just bending around to smooth off those ends, but also add a little bit of movement and bend. There, detangle, 2 fingers, wrap, and then just lay it on its base. Done. Next section, side. Head around. Next section, 2 quick passes. So there, 1, 2, let's create some elevation in there. Just slow it down on the third one because that will keep in all the heat and act as the conductor, and then when it cools down, because it's wrapped up, you're going to get a nice curl. So there it is detangled. See the bend on the ends, fingers, wrap, clip in. Now on this top section, detangle, 2 quick passes just to smooth. You're already getting the elevation on this one because it's on the top. Let's just get that hair together. There. Straighteners in at the base of the hair, clamp. Keep the brush in there just to control so you get midway. And then as we get towards the ends, we're just bending and turning those irons slightly. Brush in there to support. Detangle. You still feel that's really warm. Fingers in, wrap. Clip. There, next section, detangle, straighteners, keep your brush there for control, in at the root, as you get midway, there we go, hair is all in, and just coming away nice and slowly, bending that hair backwards slightly, get your brush in there because the shorter layers are going to fall, detangle, wrap it, get those ends in, done. A little bit more hairspray. So this is the sectioning pattern. Got those 2 sections there, 2 sections there, that triangle section on top, section on the side, section on the side, and that section on top there. So what we'll do is we'll let that cool down, pull them out. They'll probably nearly be ready at the back anyway. Yeah, they're cold already. How quick is that for a fake blow dry? Pull them out. You should be able to see the bounce. There you go. How's that for a fake blow dry? There we go. Easy. If you like these quick tips, comment down below and I'll do some more. I've got some great ones for creating different waves, but that is a fake blow dry in about 10 minutes. So what you want to do when you're creating this fake blow dry is you want to wash your hair either the night before or the morning, let it dry naturally. You can use products such as Joico Zero Heat. What this will do, it will stop your hair from frizzing up, make it sit nice and smooth so your hair doesn't really sort of blow out during the day. Once it is all dry, and how we were at the beginning, just section up that simple sectioning pattern and then just start using your straighteners just to create that movement, wrap it up, clip it, and then you've got a fake salon blow dry. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, give us a thumbs up.